Okay, let's try that. Okay, someone can hear. If someone's watching and they can hear, just put something in the comments just so I can see. Okay. Seems to be working now, so let's try. Right, a quick update. I'll do it live. So Bitcoin. This looks to be like a 5-wave count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or we could do something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Either way, however we like that, it'd still potentially work. Either way, this is a bullish structure. Now, we've been talking about this in Man Pro Club, and if you're not a member, that's fine. Excuse me. That's fine, but a lot of content is posted over there. I'm not going to bore you, but if you want to join, you can join. If not, that's fine too. But lifetime membership is 5 Litecoin, or you can pay for a month for 1 Litecoin. We'll do a deal if you want to do a deal. It's fine. Anyway, so this is what I think. Bitcoin on the 4-hour. Obviously, we had the non-farm payrolls, which the job losses or declines, whatever you want to call them. Obviously, it's lower than expected. That will likely mean that interest rates will either pause or go down, which effectively is bullish for the market. So I'm not sure that the market really expected that. I think they were expecting that we would go into a recession, and it's not really clear that we will. So there's potential here. So mixed reaction, I would say. But the chart is saying that, prices can go up. So a lot of the times, when you're looking at price action, is that, or you're trying to anticipate where something will go, is that you, based on news catalysts, you would say, right, show me the chart, and we'll figure out what kind of news is going to come. Well, from my point of view, I've been saying that I am building longs, and I am. So what I see is a bullish divergence. So if you have a look at the RSI, this is bullish. So if you have a look down on these initial lows, that's where the RSI bottomed, okay, on the first low. And since you've been making these lows, you've been making higher RSI, higher lows on the RSI. So again, that's a bullish sign that the market is looking for a reversal. And one of the reasons why I think that this is a valid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a corrective phase. Now, the other thing here is that, we've got this golden pocket zone. So if you have a look around about here, that's where you want to look for entries. So anywhere from the 0.618 to the 0.786, so that's 52,600 to 55,300, more or less. We did come down and we did pretty much bang on touch the 0.618, which is like the area to look for, especially if this whole structure then becomes like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, and that those purple waves are actually just the sub waves of wave 1. And typically with wave 1 is that you will get like miniature wave 3s, but they won't be as obvious, whereas with a wave 3 here it'll be like that. So, and if you have a look in like proportion wise, this is actually going to be quite a big move. So, and this is on the 4 hour. So if you get a trend-based fib extension just from this area, you pull it down, let's say that was the bottom, the 0.618 where you would expect the wave 3 to come, that's at 87,000, and there's no reason why we can't get like an extended wave 5 and that take us all the way up here, maybe even higher. I mean, there's nothing to say that wave 3 can't go up here and that wave 5 actually finishes at, to maybe say, I don't know, into this red box that I've got somewhere around here. I mean, 170,000, maybe something like that. But what I'm trying to say is, I am positioned long, and this is why. So the other asset that I'm looking at is Bitcoin Cash, and again the same thing. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is back down into the golden pocket. And if we go on to the 1 hour, you can see that this is what I'm thinking. So we're in this golden zone now, and that this potentially, this might be the sub waves of wave 3. So like this would be like sub wave 2 of wave 3, and then the start of sub wave 3 be like that. Okay, so here is 0.618. Okay, so it's really like it's possible that this could be 1, 2. We're coming down for again 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5. So this could be the start of like a bullish wave. Bitcoin Cash 1, 2, 3 part target. Please tell upcoming bull run. What do you mean, like higher time frame or? Anyway, so obviously on the higher time frame, this is what I'm thinking. So I'll just tidy this up a bit. When we get to this zone here, look, I'll just take all this off because this is all lower time frame. So I'll show you a bit more about what I mean. I believe that this is the golden pocket. So we've come out of this corrective zone here. So we've got this ABC, and somewhere around here we've got like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, this is on the daily, so it'll probably be on lower time frames. But somewhere around there, that's your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's your subwaves of wave 1. This then becomes wave 1, 2, and then we're off for 3, like that. Okay, so that would be like your primary count. Higher time frame. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay, so if you look on the, we'll just have to go back for the weekly if we're going to do that. So on the weekly time frame, I'll get rid of that. See, every time we change it, it gets a bit too complicated. But look, so anyway, so we've got the A, B, C, D, and E. So this is the higher time frame. This is an ABC. This is your E leg, and within that E leg, we've got this big ABC. A, B, C. So this is your corrective structure that's complete. Okay. Now, what I'm saying is that this from here, that's all of that side, all of this side here, where I'm marking it with green, that's all corrective, okay? And from here, this is your new bullish wave, okay? So from the red line here, that's your new bullish cycle, okay? So if we measure that now, we can say that let's just move it there. So this outside, this is where E ends. We can say, right, okay, so that's our wave 1, that's our wave 2, and at any point now we're going to be looking for a wave 3, 4, 5, okay? So that's what we're waiting for now, because all of this is corrective. First target, 2 target, and 3 target for Bitcoin Cash. In bull run, please. Yeah, I mean, I can't give you the exact target because it's going to change. So I mean, I'm not going to put it on YouTube either. I mean, there's obviously, like, I'll do that for Man Pro Club members, and because that may change. Like, it might be one day I say, right, okay, well the top is in, so you know, everyone sell, and then a week later I'll do a video about it, but it might be too late for you to sell. Well, it probably would be then. So you'll end up not being able to sell it for a decent price. But I mean, I'm not gonna do loads and loads of videos. But effectively, this is what I think. Somewhere like that. I think that wave 3 will definitely take it into the thousands. So somewhere like that. And then we'll be doing, this will be like wave 1, 2. Wave 3 will be like that. It'll look like that. Something like that. That's what I think anyway. Yeah. If I was to guess, that's what I'd say. And then if we get the fib extension, somewhere like that. Yeah, something like that. That's what I would say would be good. But yeah, it's just a quick update, guys. That's all. I will do a better stream another time once I've got to grips with this. It's a new system. I don't really do live streams, but if you enjoyed it, great. Yeah, as I say, you know, come on over to Pro Club on Telegram, and yeah, come and share your thoughts. Into